Well, when I left St. Margaret's Bay, my mother they left and come off foreign and children abuse me so much. I said I go run away. So my big brother called me and he said, Olivette, come and go to the store and go buy a bread for later and some cocoa. So no can have something when I go bed. I take the money and just go on one bus. And tell one girl I know so I run me now come back. And I tell her say rain a fall hard the day, like rain a pour me in the house. Night two like one room. And me did I look through the window and rain a pour. Me decide me can't take the abuse no more. And me say me have one frack. And me tie the run frack and throw it out in the backyard in the plastic bag. And when me run around there and grab the frack from the ground out of the water, it a flow, cause rain a fall on the red dirt like it walk just a wash up on the red water. And me just pick it up and run through the shortcut and go up on the bus. And come out from one place near Windsor. Cause me decide me can't take the abuse no more. Cause my mother gone a foreign left me. And me been abused and been raped and me couldn't take it no more. So me decide to me go run away. Me don't want to stay at the house no more. So me gone to this yard and I know my grandmother used to have a church sister cause we used to live close by on the same lane. When me go to the woman gone a foreign. Me say me take my little frack of me having in the bag and hide in one bush. One year boy see me hide my frack in there. And a 1 year he have. Anyway, me hide it. Come in, want come the people in place with nothing me and like see me run away. Want come like a visit, me come visit, and try stay over. So when me go to know, me see the woman son and some Indian people them. And he tell me, come inside, come inside. My mom is not here, she gone to front, but you can't come in anyway. After me did for a little while, me go in and said to me, he said to me, you're so dirty man, you need to take a shower. So he tell me, if you go in the back and go in the bathroom, and me go in the bathroom and he give me one carbolic soap and water. And turn on the hose and me get a nice beard. I'm never forget to give me a t-shirt and one underpants to put on. And me come to the house and watch big screen TV and he give me white rice and curry fish. And the first time I have curry fish. And me I tell you, say, on the next side of the house, the same house, they have one red skin girl live there near Angie. She rent a part of the house because her man gone a farm work. And there she rent and there she live. So me know as a little girl, me come on, the boy, they love me of my Indian boy. I'm about a little bit older than my age. Me never that old. At them time, they me about 13 years old. Even more probably like 14. And he did love me off and one day with me car. When me wake up, somebody I kill mosquito over me. When me wake up, I kill mosquito, take care of me. But he never had no problem with me staying. Like, I tell him, say, you know what, me I get raped. And me decide to me for running from my family. And me can't stay. And that's why me come and me don't want to go back to the people who I get raped by. Same was like, yo, you could stay. But then his uncle did come in. Me meet one little girl named Melissa. And she used to live with one girl named Winsome. Like you go Artil, but you know quite get to Artil. Before you get to Artil, and she was living with Winsome. And she come and visit the girl named Angie. She wash for Angie. I help cook for Angie because Angie pregnant. And so that's why she come out of the yard. So anyway, the boy have an uncle, him do fishing, he's a fisherman. And he go up on him boat and catch enough fish and then sit there and come back and sell. But I never meet him before. So anyway, I was there and then the man come now. Come and sleep around there. The man start to look smart. And a big man now could be my father. I tell the man to make can't deal with him. The man said, well, you can't sleep here no more. You can't sleep around here no more. So, Melissa come and said to the man, say, my friend stay, man, oh God, you know where to go. If you want to sleep with her, I will sleep with you. Then I make she stay. So my friend gone in the bedroom, then when she gone in the bedroom, then go and lay down with the man and try to give the man a little piece, because the man want a little piece, he stay there. So when the girl gone, and start getting the man start to walk the little girl body, you see. When me hear my friend holler, you see, I couldn't help it no more, but I couldn't take the pain of the girl I feel. I rush into that bedroom, you see, and start to pull her on and say, come on, forget it, me go up on the street, forget it. To pull off that big money man and hurt the little girl body, And it's just because the girl want me to stay there, she tried to take the sex with me. But in the still half of me. So what me do now, I start to grow and girl near Angie and help Melissa for wash and so. And Melissa say, go and wash the clothes them, man. And she go for the grocery them. So me can get a place for stay. I'm used to wash the girl clothes them. And sometimes I used to cook for her too. And she make me cook all the big pot of meat. And when she done, she give me the rice with like a callaloo or something like a side dish. But she not give me no meat to me cook for her. And me see woman cook it for her. And today, and she did give me one pants. I mean, here, she didn't have one party close by. Because she used to sleep in one little room she have there. In one little room she have there, me used to sleep. I used to sleep in a room, but I used to piss up in the room and piss up a place. I used to feel sad when I wake up and piss up a place and I couldn't help it. I know why I used to piss up myself, like me get strained and me get raped. I used to feel bad piss up the girl place. And so, when I used to wash her clothes, the man do everything like a slave girl, you know. And she give me one pants. I used to knock it part of the one road, I'm going to go dance like a dancehall queen. So me and Melissa walk gone down there, because Melissa live with a girl named Winsome. So after a while, go down and I type it's a string on my waist and I start to broke out because the music feel good. So I see some video, man, a video me and me I broke out and dance, and my video me most 13. And I said to myself, then really like how me I dance, and then realize that what I catch it type and bust out. Because the pants can't stretch, so maybe I'm gonna dance, it bust out. The crotches and I have a panty, so I was trying to video my vagina. That is why that video like me so much. But anyway, we come back now and we gone up on some friend of Melissa, have some friend. Up on one lady Melissa live. Because I kind of like not still on Angie no more. You know? Because I can't bother the slave. I wash her clothes, cook her food, and it's a slave back her, just come out to a place to stay. I start seek where else I could have sleep. And so coming down and where to go. So I end up go up on the lane where Melissa live. And what I met two girls and one boy. The mama was a war. And I live in a big house. And I got everything in the big house. So I said, boy, I'm going to get to sleep up for the night. So me and them talk and so and talk, and brother kind of like me. And so Melissa gone on because she live further down the road. And me gone by them to try to get her sleep. So I lie down on the bed now and I try to sleep, and the boy come. And I try to feel me up. And I try to pull down my pants if he have sex with me. I tell him, say, no, I can't do that. And he said, well, come out and you can't sleep in here. And the boy, I get up and the boy shoot me out and lock the door, you know. I walk, go down the lane by myself and go down by Melissa's house. And I reach down there and I see nobody. I see one dog, and the dog never bother me. The dog was so nice to me. And I lay down next to the dog. And I made the dog lay down there asleep on the veranda. The man, when I hear one woman come out and say, who are you? And I said, me and Melissa friend. And she said, why you sleep out here? Next time knock on the door, man, would I let you make you sleep inside, man. You shouldn't do that. And she said, come, see Melissa there. And then so she asleep and she piss bed. So you and I can go sleep if you piss bed too. You don't sleep together. And the woman take me and give me some clothes. And we go down and swam, go draw a dash in. And grate a coconut we pick up on the road by the you call it by the train side there. So you have coconut walk with them drop. We pick up coconut and we grate and come back and boil dash in and the coconut juice was have some wonderful time. And put all ackee in it. Until one day me did it. And when me look, me see my sister come with police, she come for me. And said she carry me with her. She carry me go to Bybrook to her place go live with her. I never even like Bybrook. Go live up one little house so she had built out up here. Zinc crony and zinc pantap and zinc crony. The man start to beat her. And when the man she there we start to beat her. And I beat her bad, me decide me go and try to kill the fucker. So me get a machete. If you go try chop him in a good position, me can if you chop him like a ras. And she just use her foot and kick me down. I never know why she kick me down. Later on she tell me say, if me chop him and miss you, that kill me. She never want to kill me, so she kick me down for stay out of the fight. Yeah man, so that's how it go. Me end up at Bybrook live with her. And I saw me end up to meet my baby father over there. So me get pregnant at 15 and my son born at 16. Yeah.